morning, everyone. Welcome to Virtuous Eunice's kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how I make omelets. So, let's get started. I have 6 eggs. I also already have my onions chopped, fresh tomato chopped, and some bell pepper chopped. I also have my cayenne pepper, teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I also have my Maggi cube and my olive oil. This is like half a cup of oil. Always allow your oil to get heated. If you don't like spicy, there is no need for you to put spicy in your omelets. You can skip that. You put salt to your taste. But for me, I'm not using salt. I use Maggi cube. Allow it to saute well before adding your eggs. I'm going to get these things out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos. If you want the ingredients, go down to the description box. Remember, a virtuous woman keepeth her home. Bye.